juice. Tadi kan udah lagi nggak? W long F Y E R. Yes, sir. Okay, start.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Sena Roshita. I am studying 7th standard, Children's Setla Higher Secondary School for Girls. Today I done one origami, cat and ice cream.
Show me. Very good.
I like cat because his fur was very soft, and I like ice cream, vanilla flavor. I want to become an archaeologist because I want to learn about cats. Thank you.
Next, Meenakshi. Okay. Keep it properly.
Good evening everyone. My name is Neha and I am studying from standard 6th and I will talk about the day. Today I did ice cream and cats. I like cats because we have icy cats. I like strawberry because I want to become a judge. Thank you.
Very good. Next, Kanushika.
My name is Jay Kanshika. I made an 11. I want to become a chef, Indian chef.
I want to.
I want to become an Indian chef.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, very good. Next, Suviksha.
Good evening to all. My name is Yunisha. I am good, ice cream and cat. A cat is very soft and cute. Ice cream is, I love to ice cream. I become a lawyer. Thank you.
Super. Very good. Saviksha.
Good evening to all. I study in Kendriya Vidyalaya,
Which standard are you studying?
4th standard.
Very good.
I do cat and ice cream and become a teacher.
I want to become a
teacher.
okay. Okay, very good. Next, Kavinila. Tell your name. My name is.
My name is Kavinila.
Okay. கையில் என்ன வச்சுருக்கீங்க? வாட் ஆர் யூ ஹேவிங் ஆன் யுவர் ஹேண்ட்? இது என்னது?
Ice cream.
இது என்னது? And what do you want to become? You want to become a? நீங்கள் என்னவாகணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறீங்க?
Doctor.
டாக்டரா? சொல்லுங்கள். I would like to become a doctor. Very good. Thank you. Okay, next. Nishmin. Tell your name. Tell your name. Come to the front.
My name is Sri Chakravarti, studying 4th standard. Today was
School name?
Sri Krishna Nursery Primary School.
Very good.
Cat, dog, ice cream.
Okay, very good. What do you want to become?
Want to become doctor.
Very good. Super. Clap for Nishmin. Okay, next.
My name is Priya Srivasan. I am studying 6th standard. Agarwal Academy CBSE Senior Secondary School, Kalipuri. I want to become a High Court judge.
Supreme Court or High Court? Okay. Very good. Superb. Clap. Okay, next.
I made holding an ice cream and cat.
Very good.
Cat is a all pet animal.
Okay.
Ice cream is a all like.
Very good. Superb. Kanishika, why are you laughing? Don't make laugh.
My name is Chandra Soviet, 4th standard. Sri Krishna Nursery and Primary School. Today there is holding at me. Cat and ice cream. Cat is a very softest animal. Ice cream is a noun for butterscotch flavor. I want to become a
Tell again your name. திரும்ப சொல்லுங்க. ஓரிகாமியில் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க? I did cat. Very good. Next, Dev. Dev Jashan. Start.
My name is Devasan.
எல்லாரும் பேசிலையும் சிரிச்சாங்க தான், ஆனால் அவங்கவுங்க பேசிட்டு போயிட்டாங்க. யூ டோன்ட் பாதர் அபவுட் தெம். யூ ஜஸ்ட் டாக். அவ்வளோதான். ஓகே, டாக். Everything will be there in YouTube. You can see. So you just be conscious about that. You just what you want to talk, you talk. Nishmin, don't laugh. What craft you have done today? Very good, superb. Next, what do you want to become?
I want to become a judge.
Very good, superb. Clap for Dev. இங்கே பாருங்கள், நீங்கள் வந்து யூ ஷுட் பி அப்ரிஷியேட் வாட் தே ஆர் கோயிங் டு டாக். டோன்ட் லாஃப் அன்னெசரிலி. ஓகே, சாய் கைலாஷ். ஓகே.
I am doing 5 to
Go there. Go there. Stand there.
I am done today, old Danny. Cat and I think. Cat is just
Sai.
animal.
Go front. Here you have to stand. Okay. Start from the first.
My name is Kajal. I am the lead fifth standard. I am on the team Secondary School. Today I am learning Ayurvedi. Cat and I think. Cat is just animal. My favorite flavor of ice cream is
Oh, again on same. Okay, start.
my name is Kajal.